Hello everyone, I'm Austin. Now we are loading the cargo of the Switchgear. This is our car. It's the 16 kilometers, 16 meters. Now we will light the driver to pick up the cargo in the truck. Let's do it. Now this is our switchgear, and we pack it in box and delivery to the different countries. Now this exported to the Europe. As you can see, this all the exported wood, and we use the plywood case. The package is very well. Let's see. This is our forklift, and now we needed to enter into the warehouse and then pick up the goods to the truck. We remove the switchgear. To have some space to light the forklift enter into and then pick up the switchgear to the track. Now it delivers the package switchgear to the track, and the first side has been set in the truck. Now it's the second, the switchgear has been set into the track. We have been settled down. Now our all cargo has been finished and packaged. Now deliver it to the port and send it to the Europe. Okay.